is the submerged competition field. There are 15 missions that can be done in any order. You don't have to complete all the missions, just try as many as you can in each 2.5-minute robot match. Only the score from your best match will be counted. Your robot must start completely inside a launch area, and you should program it to return to either home area. You can handle and modify your robot between runs while it's completely inside either home area. Gracious professionalism is how we express our core values in First LEGO League. The robot game is an important place to observe gracious professionalism, and the referees will evaluate this for your team at each official robot match. Equipment inspection. Your robot and all your equipment must fit inside both launch areas and under a height of 12 inches. If it is small enough to fit inside just one launch area and under this height limit, your team will score 20 points.